I'm Marshie Morgan, the author of Grandparent Memories from the Heart and 13 Interactive Challenges to Self-Discovery. And you can find those links below. But what you're really here is you're about to pull your hair out and you're trying to figure out, why is my bank feed not working with my bank anymore? This doesn't make any sense to me. It says my account doesn't exist, but it worked last month. Okay, we're going to dive in and we're going to check it out. Okay. Now you may have to watch this a couple of times because there's a lot of moving parts to it. And if you don't do it exact, you can make a mistake. And this is a workaround, okay? And what this workaround is QuickBooks Desktop with bank feeds with your bank. I happen to use Chase, so here we go. I'm going to dive in and I'm going to show you step by step what to do. Now, with this workaround, it will work, okay, like once or twice, and then you have to do it all over again. And I don't know why. I'm not technical in that way. I don't have the answer to that. But if you have a workaround, put it in the comments. Help the community out, okay? If I bring you any value in this video, please like and share. Now, let's dive in, okay? So, there's some moving parts to this. So, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go to the bank. And I'm going to do the download activity. All right. So, here we go. I say QBO for the Web Connect. I'm going to say last month's statement, right? Because I'm trying to do my reconciliation. You'll see here it's up. I click on it, and what's going to happen is I say I want to import, right? But when I do that, all right, and I say okay, it gives me this dreaded message. Hey, you are downloading transactions for the following account. Sorry, there's nothing there. What do you mean there's nothing there? Right? There's nothing there. And you're going, well, why not? This makes no sense. So what you have to do, okay, is you have to get out of it, say cancel, and say okay. All right. All right. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your chart of accounts. So when you go to the chart of accounts under company, right? Company, and then your chart of accounts, you go to the account that you're looking for, which is a credit card, right? And it's this one. And it's there. Now, we right click on it, or you go down here. So if you right click, you can go to edit account, or you can go to account and go to edit account. Either way will get you there. Now, this is the trick. All right. This is the trick. You're going to go to bank feeds. Under bank feeds, you're going to deactivate all online services. You're going to save and close. You have just disabled. Say OK. Now you're going to go back over and you're going to import your, let me go down here. Come on, where's my mouse going? I've lost my mouse. All right. So you're going to go back to your downloads and you're going to do that activity feed. That activity feed, you're going to say, okay, I want to do it. And then use an existing account. And it's listed there now. Chase Inc. 7407. It automatically activates it again. You say continue. And then it says the Web Connect data has been successfully read into QuickBooks. You say okay. And then you'll see here that the information went into the account. So let me review this with you. The first thing you have to do, all right, is go up here to company, go to the chart of accounts, and edit the credit card that you're having the issue with. Once you edit that credit card, you're going to edit it by deactivate the bank feed. You're going to import that download of the bank feed into the account, all right? And it automatically makes it active again. Because it's active again, it works, and then you have where you're off and running to the races again, where you can do your transaction list. If this brought you any value, any help, give me some love, show me a like, a comment, or anything. If you have another workaround, please help us in the community, and be blessed and have fun with year end. Okay, bye-bye.